Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Hank and Henry's mystery box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my mystery box and look, it is signed. I totally forgot that it said that all of the boxes will be signed. Now I know I watch his lives and he's signing his little heart away all the time in them, but I didn't realize that everyone was going to get signed. So I'm so glad that I now have a signed box, because I was hoping one of my subscription boxes that they're no longer doing would have came signed, but now I have a signed box. Signed by yours truly, Hank and Henry. So let's go ahead and get in here. Now, since this is a mystery box, I went ahead and I peeked. Yes, I sure did. I'm not gonna lie. I already opened the box and I went through each item and I wrote it down and got a price, so I can tell you what the value is and what everything adds up to at the end. Now, they have 3 different subscription box choices. They have the smaller box, they have the larger box, which this was box option number 2. Then they also have box option number 3, which I believe was 4 full-size products from him and then 4 full-size products from their school. So I went ahead and chose option number 2, just Hank and Henry. I was so excited that I didn't really grasp the concept of what the 3rd box was, or else I probably would have chose the 3rd box. Plus it was a little bit cheaper, but I got this. So that's what it looks like inside when you first get it. So this one here was $77 and I paid extra for shipping, $7.99. So there's that. So let's go ahead and remove these little squigglies and I will show you guys what's in here. So the first item is this brush, and this one is called Ruby. Now, when I looked this up, this brush right here is $17 and it's a duo fiber brush. So there's that. And I did get one brush in my last subscription box, and now I can add to it. So this one is Ruby. That's just the name of this particular brush. That is so soft. And I love the colors with the little bit of brown inside. And that's how all of the brushes so far that I've seen have, because the next brush is right here. And this one is Savvy. This guy here is this is a shading brush, and this one's valued at $15. So there's that. And I actually like that the tip is brown, because I have a brush set and they're all white bristles and I just don't want to get them dirty, even though I know you clean them. But I don't think it's gonna be bright white again, so I honestly haven't touched them. So I'm glad that this is a darker end, because I definitely will give it a try. I like the long handles. Like, these are actually pretty long handles. So I kind of like that. So I can't wait to actually try that. So those are those first 2 items. Then we have is a mascara. This is a double wanded mascara. I already have this, so I'm not going to open this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway, and I'm going to do a giveaway actually in this video, because there's enough here to do that. That I'm going to share with you guys. So stay tuned to the end and I'll let you know how to enter. But this is the duo. One is a very small, like, precision edge, and then the other one is a bigger edge. Actually, let me go get mine. Hold on. Okay. So this one is mine, and I grabbed my eyeliner too, because that's the next thing I'm going to show you. So this one is one that'll go to you guys. This one is mine, and it's the same clout. This is black, and it's the duo. So here is the one, when I said precision, look how tiny. You can get all up in them little crevices with this guy. Then this end is the big boy, and it's black. So like I said, I already have it, so I'd rather share with you guys. So this one's mine. Next would be, this is the eyeliner, and I received a black and a blue in my last subscription box. I put the blue one in a giveaway and I kept the black one. Here is now another blue one. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. Oh, sorry you guys, this mascara is $19. So put that back to your guys' pile. Now, here's a blue. This one is the eyeliner. This is called Blickety Blue. And it's a long wear liquid eyeliner, and this is valued at $17 by itself. So I will show you my black one so you can see the point. So this is my black one. That's how fine the point is. And it sounds like a little paint can. So depending on how thick or how thin you want it, it does have precision. So there's that guy. So the blue one I will save for one of you guys. And again, that's $17. Now, here is a highlighter, and I did keep a highlighter, and I put a highlighter in a giveaway from the last one. This is a highlighter, which I'm going to put this in a future, not a future, I'm putting it in the giveaway that I'm gonna do at the end of this. Now, I do need to tell you though, there's a misprint on this bad boy, because when I went to type in the name, it's like nothing showed up. I'm like, oh, they spelled it wrong. So I did send them an email and I let them know that they did spell this wrong. I don't know if they know, and this is what I said, I don't know if you know that it's spelled wrong and that's why you put it in your mystery box, or if you don't know that it's spelled wrong, but your website shows it's correct, in your packaging, both the box and the product is spelled incorrectly. So there's that. So, but the correctly spelled highlighter is $27. So this one says Jewel Theft. It doesn't say thief. So that's the color of the highlighter. This will go to one of you guys, but I'm letting you know there is a misprint because it says it incorrectly back here as well. So I love his packaging. Look at this. And how it gets the little glow bling 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 bling. And I love his logo with the owl. And this is what the color looks like, but I won't remove the plastic. So that's what it looks like inside. This is the highlighter, Brilliant Pearls Highlight. His highlights are really, really nice. But I did keep the other one, which is a similar color. So I'd rather now share this again with you guys. The last one wasn't this color, but it was similar to it. So there's this, and this is $27 right there. Now, here are 3 lip products. And I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with them as I'm talking to you about them. So the first one that I know for a fact I'm keeping, which might be the only one. Let's see. The other ones are a little bit brighter colors, and if you notice, I normally don't wear anything on my lips anyways, so I would rather just go to somebody who will use it. So this first one is, this is a lip luster gloss, and it's in the color of Duh One, D-U-H, Duh One. So this is Duh One, and I love his packaging because it looks like it would be a lipstick that you pop off and you put on. No, 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 no. It's an actual, a little bit came out. A little dabble, do ya? Just a little splurge. This is a liquid. This is a liquid, and I really love this packaging, and it has the little owl on the top. So I'm really liking this. So this one I'm keeping for sure. Not a whole lot comes out. There we go. Maybe I had to get it started. I don't know. But that is the little applicator. And that's just a nice little gloss. It has like a little pink shimmer. You're probably not even gonna see. I'll try to pack it on a little. You're probably not even gonna see it right there. It's just like a gloss with a very little like pink shimmer. So I'll probably wear that just because it's a very glossy. It's glossy. So I got that. Now we have 2 others. That one is, that's the Duh One, is $18. Miss Thang is this one, Miss Thang. This one is also $18. And this one is really pretty. I believe this was a collab with, yeah, this was a collab. So I'm not gonna open this one because this is like a, that's pink. And that is like a pinkish lavender color. And I know this is not something that I'm gonna grab. So I'd rather this go to somebody who would enjoy it. So if you do like this color, Miss Thang, then stay tuned and you can maybe win this. So let me go ahead and open up the other color. Again, this is $18. So far, there's going to be a blue eyeliner, the Duo mascara, the highlight, this lip product, and this one is called Sangria. This one is $18. No, this one's $17. The other two were $18, this was $17, sorry. And this one is a red. So I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway as well. Well, I always say, I'm so used to saying future. I'm gonna put it in this giveaway, you guys. Oh my goodness. So there's this red color, and I bet you it's gonna be really, really pretty because it looks more like not like a red, like a fire engine red. It looks more like a magenta red, but I do have a few reds and I don't wear them. So I would rather this go to somebody who would enjoy it. So that being said, this guy right here, Sangria, $17, $18, $19, $17, and $27. All of this could be, well, it will be one of yours. So I will let you know how you can win this if you are interested. If these colors are not your thing and you want to pass on this, no problem. I have giveaways on my channel a lot, so you can stay tuned for others. But if you are interested in this, then I will let you know how to enter in just a minute. Now, so the total box is all those items, plus these two gorgeous brushes and this right here. So this is what I'm keeping. And this is $18, $18, $17, and $15. So did I get my $77 plus $7.99 out of it? No, I did not. One of you guys will, but I did not. So my value is going to be $50. So I am definitely not getting my value, but again, I don't need two of the same almost tone highlighter, and I won't wear these colors. I just know I won't. I don't need another mascara, and I won't use a blue eyeliner. So one of you guys will enjoy all of that other goodies. So everything, when I added every product up, this was a $148 value. So you're definitely getting over the value you paid for. But again, it's $77 plus $7.99 for shipping. So let me know down below, you guys, did you think this was a good value? Did you think this was a good mystery box? I'm glad to have a signed box. I'm excited to try out these two brushes. This Duo Fiber, I'm not quite sure what this is used for. If you guys know, because all it said was Duo Fiber. If you guys know what this is used for, let me know. I'm still learning with brushes. I barely know what a crease brush is. And then I will have this gloss, which I did get two others that I kept from the first subscription box. So now I'll have 3 of his lips, and I'll have 3 of his brushes and 1 of his highlighters. So, you know, and yeah. So that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this mystery box. Did you think it was a value? Did you think it was a good mystery box? It's kind of has, I'm going to be completely honest, I'm a little disappointed that it has the same products that I just received in my mystery box, because I already received this in a mystery box. I received this in a mystery box. I've already received 2 different reds in mystery boxes, and I already received 2 other highlighters. So I kind of wish that he would have kind of put in different products, because the fact that anybody that already did buy the subscription box and then they go to buy the mystery box, they're gonna get the same products, which I a little disappointed in that, but that's what you get for getting a mystery box. If you didn't get the subscription boxes, then yeah, this would probably be good. But I already got the subscription box, so I already have some of these products is my thing. But you know, that's fine because now I get to pass more down to you guys, which I enjoy doing. So there we go. So if you do want to enter into this, there'll be again the highlighter, the 2 lips, the mascara, and the eyeliner. So for these products, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, to show my appreciation to those that are actively and positively supporting my channel. So must be subscribed to my channel and leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, you must put the words "enter me." Now, go ahead and tell me also what you're most excited about in this giveaway. Are you more excited about the lip products? Are you excited about the highlighter, the mascara, the eyeliner? Which one are you more excited about? So in that comment, put "enter me." I'm most excited about which item. So I kind of can see what you're more excited about. And then I know you're following the rules by adding in that in your comments as well. You must be over the age of 18 or have somebody over the age of 18, a legal parent, guardian, somebody enter in for you. You must have a United States address for me to ship these to help me cut down on shipping fees. I don't care where you live, as long as I can ship them to a United States address. And that's it. Smile. That is all. I will then have this end in 3 weeks. So after the 3 weeks is up, I will go ahead and close the giveaway. I will use a random comment picker to choose a comment that will have the words "enter me." Then I will make sure that you are putting in which item you're most excited, you are most excited about in that comment as well. If all of that does check out, then I will comment to your comment saying, "Congratulations, you are the winner. You have 48 hours to comment back to me to claim your prize and to email me your shipping information." If you do not respond within 48 hours, I must revoke your entry and choose another winner. Rules are rules. I'm sorry, I hate doing that, but I have to follow the rules for everybody. So after the 48 hours, if you have not responded, I will choose another winner. So in the description box, it'll say confirmed win or has 48 hours to confirm. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hang tight because I may have to draw another winner. The new winner will have the same rules will apply. You will now have 48 hours. If at the end of that 48 hours, you don't respond, I will choose another winner and keep going until I get a confirmed winner. That is it. Be subscribed. Comment down below with "enter me" and which item you're most excited about. Go ahead and like this video and be subscribed, be over the age of 18 and have a US address and smile. That's all. Simple and sweet. That's how I do all my giveaways, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this. If you're not entering in and you still want to comment, just don't use the words "enter me" and the random comment picker will not choose your comment. Simple as that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.